Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. Welcome to project number 35. If this is your first time here, I do project videos every week using a laser engraver. And if you like those type of videos, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my new uploads. In this project, I'm gonna show you how I made this 4-finger ring. I'm gonna show you how I made the base part of it. So it's gonna have a flat top on it. So you basically can put anything on top of it that you desire. As you can see, I got the Batman logo on top of mine with the Nashville, Tennessee skyline in it because they say we have the Batman building. So the first thing you wanna do is make sure you get the proper ring size. So once you got all your proper ring sizes, you wanna make sure you leave a little space in between them. And also you wanna make sure that they're aligned all even. At the top right here, if I was to draw a straight line, it's all gonna be even all the way across here. After that, you wanna put a contour around it. The contour, it goes all around and it kind of stops at the corner so it doesn't cut all the way through the center and cut them into separate rings. So the third thing you want to do is you want to copy that contour and you want to put it on the new page. You just click it and you want to go up to objects and you want to break contour apart. So once you break the contour apart, you want to erase the ring sizes out of the middle. So once you erase it, it should look something like this. So you want to make a flat surface at the top so you can have your design to glue it to. So what I did was I just clicked it and I see that my design is 3.576 inches. So what I did was made a little rectangle box, something like that, and I'm gonna change the size right up here to 3.576. I'll just bring it down and put it like right on top of it, something like that. Select both of them, go up to alignment and go down to alignment center horizontally so it'll even up. Then once you got it all evened up, you still got both of them selected, and I just wedge them together, and then there you have it. So this will be the new cutout. After you got this part right here, you want to put your ring sizes back in so it'll cut it out also. So you can go back over here to your contour one. You can select both of them, go up to objects, break contour apart, and you want to select your ring sizes. So we select it, copy it, paste it, and there you have it. So now this is the base part of the ring sizes and what I did to cut them out. There it is, I got them all cut out. I end up cutting 3 pieces. So I'm gonna put them all together to make them kind of thick. Okay, and here's the Batman thing. I did this one in yellow, of course. And I'm gonna put it inside. See what I did? I used the score feature to score it out in this Batman logo right here. And I'm gonna just put this right inside of it. And I'm gonna use this acrylic solvent liquid glue right here to glue it into it. There you have it. Project number 35 complete. Laser cut acrylic ring. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next project. Hey, what's up?